Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator cover in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take us a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator cover. This evaporator cover is mounted over the evaporator coils in a fresh food compartment. The evaporator cover will need to be replaced if it gets broken during an attempt to remove it in order to get to the frozen over evaporator without letting it first defrost completely. In order to get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. We will start with removing shelves. Let's remove the drawers. Now we're going to remove those two light covers. I'm going to use the putty knife and press against the locking tab here. And open it. Now I'm going to remove it from the three hinges at the back. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. To take off the evaporator cover, we need to remove the 6 Phillips screws, so 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and we're going to take them one by one out. And now I'm going to remove the cover. Hold the cover, don't let it go, and we need to remove these plugs. Push down on the tab, pull the plug, push down on the tab, pull out the plug. This is the old evaporator cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring new evaporator cover in and start with plugging those two disconnects. I'm going to first the bottom one, and we're going to do the top one. And now we're going to install the panel. Push it in, and then we're going to secure it with the 6 Phillips screws. We're going to install the light covers. First we're going to put those 3 tabs into the cutouts, that's like hinges. Push it in, and we're going to lock these 2 tabs. Same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to put these hinges in first. Push it in, and then we're going to lock the tabs. Now we can install all the drawers and the shelves. We're going to slide them on the rails. Now we can install the glass shelves. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.